Hi, I'm Terry Kernigan and I work at Heron Instruments. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the H2Go drop camera. The H2Go was designed to be compact, easy to store in a truck, and affordable enough that most crews could have one on hand. This camera is ideal for immediate verification of new well completion, to detect abnormalities, and find the full casing and well depths. So let's go over the features and advantages of how to use this camera.
The included carry case is military grade, so it can be bounced around in a truck, referred to as a mission critical gear case. Inside the case there is everything you require to get up and running right out of the box. The user guide, the camera probe, camera deployment cord, camera centralizer body with spare nuts and bolts, 2 sets of centralizer fins, one for a 4-inch casing and a second for a 6-inch casing, a small Phillips screwdriver, a charging adapter and USB cable, and finally SD adapters that accepts micro SD cards along with the micro SD removal tool. To turn the camera on and begin a deployment, refer to the standard operating procedures in the user guide. First, remove the black cap from the probe by unscrewing it. If you look inside, you will see a tiny black mode button. Below that is the SD card. The SD card will be factory installed and ready to go. Then the USB-C charging port, and then a small white box, which is the power LED indicator light. Press and release the mode button once. The H2Go will immediately power on when the indicator light turns green, and the LED camera lights power up. If the indicator light is red, this indicates that the camera needs to be charged. The indicator light will turn off after 4 seconds to conserve battery power. A single camera charge will typically last 4.5 hours during constant recording. The camera is now recording and is ready for deployment. To further conserve power, press the mode button one more time. This will lower the brightness of the LED lights. Pressing the mode button a 3rd time will lower the brightness again. Pressing the mode button a 4th time will turn the camera off. You will know the camera is fully turned off when the LED lights flash several times and the indicator light turns red for a few seconds. The camera can also be used for long-term viewing using a factory fixed recording schedule of a 20-second video every hour. This camera mode is an option for profiling a well in the event something is happening over time. Under a full charge, the power supply will last up to a month, or 700 videos in this mode. Now, instead of pushing and releasing the mode button, we are going to push and hold it until the indicator light turns green. Then release the button. The LED lights will flash slowly multiple times and the indicator light will turn blue for a second. Note, only while the LED light ring is flashing, about 16 seconds, you can adjust the intensity of the lighting. Push and release the mode button again to lower the brightness. Push the mode button a 3rd time to lower it further. If you happen to push the mode button a 4th time, this will turn the camera off. Also, if you happen to press the button in this mode at any time when the lights are not flashing, it will default to turning the unit off. Okay, so now we have the unit in intermittent mode. I know it is on and operating because the LED lights give a quick single flash every 10 seconds. You are now ready to deploy your camera. To deploy the camera, install the black cap tightly. Then tie the supplied deployment cord securely to the camera. To center the camera in the well, connect the centralizer. This is a great feature for wells without pumps or cables in them. I have partly assembled one of the centralizers beforehand to show how easily it is to install. Attach the fins to the centralizer body with the nuts and bolts. Slide the centralizer body onto the camera and tighten the nuts and bolts. The full instructions on how to assemble the centralizer are in the manual. Now the camera is ready to deploy. To get a good quality video, I suggest you avoid jerky movements and lower the camera slowly with a smooth action. Use the same motion when bringing the camera back up to get a clear video in both directions. To view your recording, you will need a device that accepts an SD card, such as a tablet, laptop, or certain cell phones. The recorder is integrated within the probe body, not transmitted up wires. This provides a very clear high-definition video. First, take off the black cap. Turn off the camera by pushing the mode button. Remove the SD card from the camera by using the SD card tool. Center the tool over the top of the SD card and push down once gently. The card should pop up. Pull the card out with your fingers. There are two adapters included. One standard size adapter that you can insert the micro SD card into and then insert the standard adapter into your device. Or another adapter that will allow you to read the SD card or the micro SD card using a USB port or a USB to C port. After watching and saving your video, put the card back into the camera. The SD card should be inserted with the gold contacts facing in the direction of the charging port indicator light. Push straight down on the card using the SD tool until the card stays seated in the port. You can now email the video back to the office or to your client. To charge your camera, plug the supply charging adapter into any 120 volt power supply and the USB to C cord into the camera. The indicator light will remain a constant blue while charging until the unit is fully charged. When fully charged, the light will turn off. So this is how you use the Heron H2Go. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.